kaya mo nang simulan ang iyong bagong buhay. Located along the Barangay Road of Barrio Barandal, Calamba, Laguna, is a sprawling 20-hectare development. Lying adjacently to the Calamba Premier Industrial Park, it is a 5-minute drive from the Batino exit of South Luzon Expressway, or SLEX. Mula sa Avida Land, the authority in affordable quality living, ang isang komunidad na tunay mong maipagmamalaki. Amayascapes Laguna. Dito, kaya mo nang maging hari. Ang Amayascapes Laguna ay accessible to major industrial parks in Laguna and is within reach of malls, public markets, schools, and hospitals. Dito, kaya mo na maging star. Sa iyong Amayascapes Laguna home, stand out ka. Kaya mo nang iharap sa lahat ang iyong stylish home. Every house is also energy efficient. The light-colored roofing and walls are designed to reflect sunlight and minimize indoor heat, while the strategically placed windows let more natural light in. Dito, kaya mo nang magpalaki ng champion. Enjoy a master-planned community kung saan mabubuo ang pangarap ng iyong mga anak. Dito, jackpot ka sa quality. Kampante ka dahil ang Amayascapes Laguna provides 1-year warranty on workmanship. Matibay at maaasahan din ang construction ng bawat bahay. Kaya't kaya mo na maging confident pagdating sa quality. Higit sa lahat, kaya mo na dahil magaan at madali ang payment schemes. This is available through Pag-ibig and other housing loan facilities. With Amayascapes Laguna's dynamic neighborhood handled by the Ayala Property Management Corporation, tuloy-tuloy ang bonding experience. More importantly, your home has provisions for expansion. Kayang-kaya sumabay sa paglaki ng pamilya. Always connected ka pa dito with our partners in development. Tuloy ka dito sa katuparan ng iyong pangarap kung saan star ka sa ganda ng bahay mo. Panalo ka sa quality at kayang sabayan ang pag-angat mo sa buhay. Isang bahay na tunay mong maipagmamalaki. Dahil sa Amayascapes Laguna, kaya mo na!